Now, in this session, we are going to work with the three resources. I hope I am going to connect to maybe, okay, today also we'll go with ChatGPT. Today evening, I may go with the Copilot. Now, see, I think my screen is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
See, what is job and CRON job in single line. This is in single line. See, it runs a task once to completion in Kubernetes. When you can go for job, if you feel any job wants to run, only once. If any task wants to run, once only. At that time you go for job. When you go for cron job, runs a task repeatedly on a schedule. You know the meaning of schedule. Maybe minutes, hours, right?
Yes,
That
sir.
means
We
day
have
of
seen
a
it in
month,
Jenkins.
then go for day of weekday. There in Jenkins also we have seen cron tab there, cron job. That we can call it as cron job, but in Ubuntu in Linux we can call it as cron tab. Here is the cron job. If you want to repeatedly running, at that time you go for cron job. Only one time if you want to run any task, we go for job. I hope very simple, right? Now job and cron job in k8s. Very simple answer. I want with examples. See, they given one example. First, I'll take that example. Based on that way, I'll try to explain. Those care. Maybe first I need to start my their Docker, right? Docker desktop. Yes, it is starting. We'll check it. CMD. kubectl get nodes. Yeah, good. See, notepad, job.yaml. Yes, they are control V. This is very simple thing. All the four sections are available or not, check it. API version is there, kind is there, metadata is there, specification is there. Remaining things are common. We are going to template section. Spec containers. Name is hello. Image is busybox. There what we are going to do now? We are going to print the message hello from Kubernetes job. Kubernetes job. But here observe what is the kind here that you need to remember. What is the kind? Job. Kind is the job. See, whenever if you take kind job, you must provide restart policy. Till now, anyone heard restart policy concept? Restart policy will follow three things, ma? Never, on failure, on failure, and and that means repeated, right? What is the
Always.
word? Always.
Always.
ALWAYS. Always. Never, on failure, always. But never means what will you do? Either it will execute or not. Maybe success or failure, only once you will execute. That is the meaning of never. On failure, what does it mean? if you if it is false, false means maybe exit code 1, then only it will reschedule it. If everything is fine, it will also execute only once. This means always. Always use it for, generally you go for a deployment and stateful set, replica set, replication controller, and daemon set. Generally, you see, what is the restart default policy? Restart default policy always only. Restart default policy always. But here they will ask in job kind, what is the restart policy? Never. Why we are giving never? We need to run only once. We need to run only once. See this back off limit. What is the meaning of back off limit? What is the limit? Back off limit. You try to execute maybe two times more. Back off limit. Now see, I am going to give this one. Control C. Control C. Where is our WhatsApp? Back off limit. What happened? Shift enter. What does it mean? See, specifies how many times the job controller will retrieve failed pods before giving up. Backup limit specify how many times the job controller will retrieve failed pods before giving. Is it okay for you? Failed pods you can able to see. Now simply we are going to run it. We are going to see the output first. kubectl apply -f job.ym. What happened? Spelling mistake? No, right? So something I added there, that is the problem. See, did I remove everything? Added things? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Notepad job.yml. Nothing is there. This is the right or wrong? Back of email. Now check it. Escape. There, close it. Apparel. No. Again, I may get it from. Where I'm going. This one right only. Copy. Notepad. First kubectl get notes. Good. Notepad. Job.yml. Control A, Control V. There, close it. Save. There, kubectl. Apply. -f job.yml. See, job got executed. If you want to see that, kubectl get jobs. Just now, which job we created? Hello job only, right? Yes or no?
Yes,
See,
sir.
Yes, sir.
10 seconds ago it got created. See, again I may try to see jobs. Hello job completed. That completed only one time it got executed. There is no problem. You want to see kubectl logs. This is the log name. This is the job name. What is the job name? Hello, hello, job, job. What happened? What it is saying? Find in, not found in names. Which namespace it got created? I think Hammer. No, right?
Yes, sir.
No, I think I removed my Hemant only. Check it. Which namespace it is there? There, kubectl. You know, right? Kubectl config. There, current, context, current context. Any spelling mistake? Get context. Get context. Get hyphen context. Their default I specified, right? Default is specified. That is correct only. Okay, I'll get it from this. Now I am getting, I should tell you. Control C. By default, it will come like that, but anyway, it is giving some little error. How to see logs. There, that is taking internally one extra thing what they are saying. See, hello job with one sum. That name they are going to specify. I'll tell you that name. Uh, it is taking some extra number it
Pod
will
name,
take.
sir. Pod name it is telling.
Pod name. We'll check for pods. kubectl get pods. At least you may see. Cron job, some name is there, right? kubectl logs. There, copy and paste. Now see, are you getting right? Job, including adding job with hot name. Then only we can get the out. Now, how many times it may execute? Ma? Only one time only it will execute. Only one time only. Such times only you can go with the job concept. See, for database migration, how many times will you do database migration? Generally one time. But at that time, this job concept is very useful. But in interview, what they are going to ask, what is the restart policy for your job? Restart policy should be never. Is it clear for you? Any difficulty in that? Aman, is it okay for you? Shall we go for
Yes.
cronjob?
Yes,
Cronjob.
sir.
Cronjob. See, if you want to run continuously, maybe again and again, when it is very useful, maybe for log monitoring, maybe getting logs continuously, at the time it is very useful. I think someone is going to join. And someone is tried. I'll wait. Now again I'm moving to here. See, I'll go for, see, this is the concept of Kubernetes cron job example. See, in cron job, restart policy on failure. On failure, what I said, whenever task fails, it will restart. See, successful job history limit. 3. Failed job history limit. 1. What does it mean? See, jobs are running, keep on running, right? We may able to see the most recent 3 successful jobs now. See, it may for every minute it is running according to our scenario. Check it here. What is the meaning here? It represents What is the meaning of star by one? Whether you may give star by one or whether you may give star only also, it may take 1 minute only. 1 minute only. See what it representing here. One is there for every 1 minute. Suppose if you give five for every 5 minutes, job will run. Are you understanding? Star by some number. Got it or not? If I give 30 for 1 hour, twice, twice in an hour, it will execute. Is it okay for you? Remaining things are very common. Image, their command, hello from Kubernetes. See, restart policy on page. What it represents, what I am going to tell? The most recent three jobs only you can see. See, 10 times it got executed. Last three jobs only. That means 7, 8, 9, 10 only we can able to see. If unfortunately you got an error, that error job also you want to see, right? Which error job you can see? The most recent, the last, because of first error job, what is the use? The last time you got an error, such job only you want to see for tracing purpose. At the time you go for this one. Hemant, you got the clarity?
Yes.
ఇది దీనిలో హేమంత్ మన 10 జాబులు రన్ చేస్తే లాస్ట్ 3 మాత్రమే చూస్తాం. ఎందుకు? ఎప్పుడు కూడా జాబ్స్ రన్ అట్లే ఇది ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే కొత్తదొస్తే పాతదెళ్ళిపోవాలా. కొత్తదొస్తే పాతదెళ్ళిపోవాలా. అలా ఎన్ని జాబ్స్ కావాలనుకుంటున్నాం మనం? ఈవెన్ సి ద వర్డ్ బ్యాకప్ అని వినుంటారు మీరు.
Yes.
బ్యాకప్.
Yes.
ఈవెన్ మీకు మార్కొండ సార్ థిన్ బ్యాకప్ చెప్పారా మీకు? థిన్ బ్యాకప్ అని పేరు విన్నారా మీరు?
Yes, sir. Yes.
ఒకసారి చెప్పారు సార్.
థిన్ బ్యాకప్ లో ఏం చేశారు గుర్తు చేయగలరా మీరు నాకు? ఎందుకంటే సేమ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఉంటుంది. మీకు థిన్
Yes,
బ్యాకప్
sir.
అప్పుడు
Jobs ని
మీరు అక్కడ వెళ్ళి కాన్ఫిగర్ చేసి ఉంటారమ్మా. మేబీ 5 అని పెట్టుంటాడు మీకు, మేబీ. ఎందుకంటే జనరల్ గా 5 పెడుతూ ఉంటాం. మీకు 5 పెట్టినప్పుడు మీకు జిప్ అవుతుంది, అక్కడ జిప్ ఫైల్స్ వస్తాయి.
Yes, sir.
అంటే రీసెంట్ వన్ జిప్ కాదు, కరెంట్ వన్. రిమైనింగ్ అన్ని ఏమవుతాయి? జిప్ అయి బ్యాకప్ తీసేసుకుంటుంది. అంటే జిప్ ఫైల్. ఎందుకు జిప్ ఫైల్ కావాలంటే మనకి ఏదైనా ప్రాబ్లం వస్తే రోల్ బ్యాక్ కావడానికి. ప్రాబ్లం వస్తే ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తాము? రోల్ బ్యాక్. రోల్ బ్యాక్ అంటే ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తాము? 1 స్టెప్ బిఫోర్కి వెళ్తాం. లేదు, మనమే మాన్యువల్గా ఏం చేయొచ్చు? ఆ జిప్ ఫైల్ని మళ్ళీ రీ ఎక్స్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. అలా మనం థిన్ బ్యాకప్ అనే కాన్సెప్ట్ అక్కడ వాడుంటారు. ఐ హోప్ యు అండర్స్టూడ్ వాట్ విత్ ఇన్ ద ఏంటది జెన్కిన్స్ లో ఏ సెక్షన్ అమ్మా దాన్ని కాన్ఫిగర్ చేసింది మీరు? వెరీ బిగినింగ్ లో ఉంటుంది అది. ఆ పేజ్ లోకి వెళ్ళి మీరు ఇవన్నీ కాన్ఫిగర్ చేస్తుంటారు. మేబీ ఏ ఫోల్డర్ లో బ్యాకప్ తీయాలి, ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్, డ్రైవ్ లెటర్ కూడా మెన్షన్ చేస్తుంటారు. దట్ అగ్రీ విత్ మీ? సేమ్ ఇక్కడ ఆటోమేటిక్ గా ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. ఫస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ కాపీయింగ్, I'll show you, then only you can see it. Now, if you want to work with this, if you want to see clear input, I need to enter into, not in this area, just there see user select, there I may go for git bash. Git bash is the good scenario for to work with cronjobs. You know what to do. Windows key, there see their users, their right click, show more, git bash. Now see notepad, cron.yml. See, same example is there or not? Check it.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now what I am going to do, first I'll try to execute this. What happens based on that we'll discuss. kubectl, or first I'll try to remove all the kubectl, delete jobs -all. All jobs are deleted. Now kubectl apply, what is that? -f cron.ym. See, cron got executed. How can I see the cron? Kubectl, kubectl, get for this also jobs mark. For this also jobs. What happened? Kubectl, jobs is running or not running? Yeah. Now see, job is executed, right? Hello, cron job, sub. See, if I give hyphen W, what happens? You may see. For every minute, it will create one new job mark. For understanding or cron tab means repeatedly it will execute. You may see 0 by 1, you may see 1 by 1. Again, you may see 0 by 1, again, you may see 1 by 1. 1 by 1 means running. 0 by 1, 0 by 1 means what happens? Once it is completed, it may move to one more job. Wait for a while. Now see, are you observing? See the numbers 94. Next new one is creating or not? See, completed. See, 96 also will create. If you move on to 97, what it may happen? The oldest one will remove. Oldest one will remove. There we set at 3 jobs only we can able to see like that. Ninety-four, 95, 96. Then we go for 97. If you move on to 97, 94 will erase automatically. See, if you leave like this, keep on, what is the problem? There is the memory, insufficient memory problem. Hemant are observing because of, see, people are keep on entering into your home. Maybe one, two, three, four. One is good, two is good, three is good, maybe up to five. Maybe 50 may came. Maybe you may feel something difficult. Same way here also. Now till now, how many jobs are there? Four is there, five is there, six is there, three is three jobs. See the numbers. Don't count these names. Numbering because of W means watch. Watch window will show repetition. Don't count that repeated things. We'll erase 94. That's why again it is showing 94. Now clearly you want to see, I am opening one more window. Windows KR There observe here. kubectl get jobs. See 95, 96, 97. Hemant are observing. What about 94 Hemant? Got erased. See
Yes, sir.
here, watch window. That's why it is showing keep on. But see, in general, after some time, if I go for, I'm able to see 95, 96, 97, 98. Maybe within a while, 95 will erase. Now check it. 95 got erased. Is it clear for you? This is the one way. Now you want to see the output, right? kubectl get podsma. See the most recent one, pod name. Try to take this one. Copy it. kubectl logs that name. Are you able to see the output?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is a very simple thing. Jobs and cron jobs concept. Jobs and cron job concept. See, in real time, again they may ask you a question. When we go for cron job for taking backup, for taking backup, for taking log backup. Generally, for log purpose, we can't go for only for taking backup, database backup, or in that way. Now, we're moving to deployment. Daemon set object, daemon set object. I hope you know the word daemon set. Daemon set means background process or internal execution. Background process or internal execution. When do we go for background process? When do you go for internal purpose? Now, log tracing. Now. Every minute you want to trace a log. Where you want to trace a log? Within a node. Within a node. And also, you want to go for metrics. See, if you want to identify the metrics regarding pods, where the pods are available, within the node only, or agree with me? To installing node controls, even node controllers. At the time also, you may go with the demand set. See, in interview, what they are going to ask in demand set object, can you specify hyphen hyphen replicas property? At least guess it, ma. Is it possible or not? Guess it. They will ask directly this question. There I may try to hear what is the AEMOL demand set with the exam. See, the demand set ensures that a copy of a pod run on all or selected nodes in a Kubernetes cluster. Now I'm going to give little diagram. MS Paint, spelling mistake, MS Paint. See, in real time cluster, I am going to show you that is the EKS. In EKS is the fully manager cluster. That too, they are asking question. I'll tell you that question. In EKS, control plane manager by whom? Your answer should be AWS. Control plane manager by whom? AWS only. Is it okay for you? Worker nodes also managed by AWS only, generally. Not only control plane, everything managed by AWS only. But here, there we are going to create node groups. There I am going to give one more clarity here. If you work with EKS, it will do like this. This is node group 1. This is node group 2. Why they are going to give multiple node groups? See, unfortunately, it may fail. We don't know. May fail, right? It may fail. At least our control plane will going to talk to whom? Node group 2. Is it okay for you? Here EKS will maintain node groups. Node group 1, node group 2. See, assume this is the batch 1, this is the batch 2. I'm taking class for batch 1, at least one person may succeed. I'm taking classes for batch 2, maybe batch 2, one person may succeed. Finally, our feeling is I am succeed. In that way, it will take. Only one group is there, four nodes are there. If group got failed, what it will do? It won't do anything. It won't do anything. This is purely EKS terms I am talking. In EKS, control plane manager by AWS. Control plane manager by AWS. You know it. Now, according to our scenario, here how many nodes are there? Quick response.
4.
It will create, demand set will create 4 replicas. See, for each node, how many replicas you are able to create? Only one replica. That's why demand set is used for node controllers. See, we can able to work with node only. Node means mission, right? How many nodes are there? 4 nodes we can able. According to our Docker desktop, our Docker desktop contain how many node cluster, ma? Our Docker desktop, how many node cluster?
One.
One node cluster. It may create how many demand set objects? Only one. If it is three node, three replicas. If it is one node, one replica. Here, our understanding is you no need to specify. Based on the cluster size, demand set will taking action. Have you understood, Haman? మన క్లస్టర్ సైజుని బట్టి డిమాండ్ సెట్ వర్క్ అవుతుంది కానీ మనం చెప్పేదాన్ని బట్టి డిమాండ్ సెట్ వర్క్ కాదు. ఈజ్ ఇట్ ఓకే ఫర్ యూ?
Yes, sir.
Good. We'll try with one example. We'll see it. Now their demand set is there. They are taking, see, echo from their host name. There it is taken. Sleep time is 3600 seconds means 1 hour it will run, ma. See, they didn't specify restart policy, right? That means what, ma? Always. There, copy this. Control C. Good. Notepad. There. D.yam. Yes. Control V. Remaining things are very common. You need to remember which one? Kind. Kind. Remaining things are very common. What I said here, within the specification, generally what you may set, if it is deployment, if it is replica set, if it is maybe replication controller or maybe deployment or maybe what is the stateful set. You need to specify hyphen replicas. Or agree with me? Here is there any that specification? You may tell,
No, sir.
sir, default is replicas one only, right? Yeah, but here you specify, if you give that property, it will give an error. What it will say? You don't have the right to specify that count, that number. I hope till now clear. Simply yes. Now just kubectl apply hyphen here d.y. Now kubectl get parts. See, where we given what is the name we specified, ma? That means hello demand set. It will create. See, one is run. If you try to specify, maybe I am going to specify, you may get the clarity. Now notepad. See, generally where you can specify after spec there repli replicas colon maybe 2. What happens in this? There, close this. Yes, you may get an error. kubectl apply. See, are you getting unknown field? Spec dot replicas. Such field which will not support demand set will not support. DAEMON. Demand set means internal execution. Internal execution. Where internal? Within the node only. How many nodes are there? How many nodes are there? Those many, what it will create? Those many demand set objects will create. Demand set object is nothing but again part only. Don't think. Even in future, we may work with ingress. Ingress. Ingress is also having controller. People may feel, oh, what is ingress controller? Ingress control is also node. Where ingress control is also a pod where it will create. Suppose 10 nodes are there, 10 ingress controllers. See, at the time of working with ingress controller, you may able to use which controller, ma? Demand set object only. Why we are going to use demand set object? On every node, it will create one replica. One replica. Are you understanding? This is the use
Yes,
of
sir.
Yes,
demand
sir.
set object. I hope clear. Okay. Today evening, Maybe at what time you are able to attend, ma? At least tell me. Maybe Monica. Based on that, I'll reschedule it at least because of regular people must be available. That is my intention. You tell the possible timing, ma.
Actually,
Before.
the train is
Yes.
at 6 o'clock,
Oh,
sir.
okay, okay.
Mhm.
We are going at least 5:30 before, right?
Yes, sir.
You want to go. Okay, shall I go with 4 to 5? Is it possible
Yes,
to
sir.
attend? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Hemant, for you, 4 to 5 is good for you?
Yes, sir. Good.
Okay, I'll take 4 to 5.
Okay.
Today, we are going to work with. Now, shall I go with the NJNX or maybe RBACMA? Maybe your wish. Shall I go with the
Anything.
NJNX? Anything. Okay. Now, even see, I may give maybe load balancer. Actually, if you want to work with NJNX, okay, I need to create EKS, ma, and maybe at the end we'll go with EKS ma, because if I configure EKS, it may create 53 internal things, ma. Maybe once you start EKS, bill will increase. Maybe what about exponential base? Maybe generally you may get maybe 200, 500, 2000. If you really work with EKS, maybe 10,000 plus you may get the bill. Whether you are paying or not, leave it. Hemant, you are also not paying, right? Just you are using account, you are leaving. Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir. But this month I got 11 rupees bill, sir.
11 rupees we can pay.
We
If
can
you
pay, sir.
if
Yes, sir.
if you pay 11 rupees, one more month we can extend. That is the advantage, Hemant.
Okay, sir.
Suppose more than 3,000 assume.
It will
You
be.
we may
Okay.
not pay automatically. Account will block, they will
Okay.
remove it. That's it. they
Okay.
they won't block your credit card, nothing will happen. That is the advantage of an till now, till today, AWS people.
They will take auto debit, right, sir? Because
They
my
not till now, that didn't happen, right? Or for you,
sir, for
11
me
rupees
it is auto debited, sir. Auto
auto debited. Okay, okay. Generally there also option is there. you
okay.
can you can tell that option also. You may try for that one. Maybe
Okay,
you
sir.
can
I'll
remove
try
that
to.
option. That
Yes,
is
sir.
good for us,
Yeah, yeah.
because of if you give account to other people, they may use more means. Again, we may face little difficulty, right?
Okay, sir.
Remove the auto debit option. That
Okay.
facility is there.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Evening at 4 p.m. we'll meet. Okay.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you,
Good.
sir.
Thank you.
Try up to this.